Berarti dia terus ya spray together harus dapat.
Iya. Tadi ya saya record dulu. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Semua student,
Good morning, sir.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm always fine. Yes, because if we live in good, always confident. Okay. Okay, student. This morning we will learn English language. I think before we learn English language, for very important, we will pray to our gods because this is number one. If you want to do something about something, you must pray to your God. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, maybe please, Chairman, comment your friends pray to our gods.
Let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma akhrijna min dhulumatil wahmi wa akrimna bi nuril fahmi waftah alaina bi ma'rifatil ilmi wa hassin akhlaqana bil hilmi wa zahir lana abwaaba fadlika wansur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Finish.
Okay, thank you very much. Maybe after we pray to our gods, next we will learn English language, success, and you get friends, you get understand about the subjects. Okay, students. Maybe before we will start to learn English language, I want to adapt your maybe there is seats or there is absent in this class. Okay. Ainun Zahratul.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Good job. Nice Nihayatul.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good job. Aulia Nurul Hikmah.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Nisrin.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Faiko.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Farajila.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Halimatus Satya.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Ilma Anisatun.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Kurniwardatun.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Nabila Zakiyatun.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Naila Fatmatun. Fida.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Nailatus Safa.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Naili Latifatun Nasiro.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Bilqis.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Rika Mariamun.
Six.
Oh, six. Okay. Sania.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Siti Salamatus.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Siti Zahra.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Tika Ayuningsih.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Wayan.
Six.
Six. Okay, this class 6-2.
Yes.
The name is Ikal Nayamun and Wayan.
Yes.
Okay, maybe your friend six. We must try to your friend. Maybe they can come to your class again. Keep kita bacakan surat Al-Fatihah. Bisa gabung lagi di kelas kita. Al-Fatihah. Okay, finish. Okay, student. Before we start learn English language, maybe please look under your time. Maybe there is like this. There is like this. Nothing. Good. Okay, student. Before we start English, I want to I want to improve your nationalism because nationalism is very important. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
We will sing song Indonesia Raya. Okay, please all of them stand up.
Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita berseru, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Please sit down, please. Okay, student. Why I want to you sing a song about Indonesia Raya? Because improve your nationalism. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, then this morning we will learn English language about narrative text. Yes. Before we learn English language, I want to give you spirit. Okay. You must confident. Don't be nervous. If you want to can speak English, maybe if you want to can speak fluently, yeah. The guide is if you want to can speak English fluently, I think you must practice every day. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Practice in class, this class, you must practice every day with your friends, with your teacher. Okay. Now, maybe if you never practice English language, if possible you can maybe you can communication with native speaker. About grammar, grammar is number 10. For example, is speech. You can speak English conversation with another people. I think it's good. Okay. Don't be nervous. Don't be afraid. Because English language is not our language. English language not second language in Indonesia. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
This is number one. I give you remember it in your mind. Don't be nervous. Don't be afraid about English language. You must mix your Main. English language is very easy. Gampang bahasa Inggris. Kecil. You must in your mind like this. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe children's story.
Yes.
Yes. Children. Okay, I want to ask to you. Maybe children's story about something. Legend. Okay. Okay, so children's story. Yes. About something. Sorry. Love story. Wow. Your friend like love story about something like the title is every day. Okay. Okay, you. Do you like story about something? Maybe? Share with your friends. Okay, good. Okay, student. I'm sure you all of students this class is like story. Story about maybe love, maybe about action, horror, action. Yes, good. Maybe if our student like story, you must always read the books. If you like the story but you never read the book, then it's impossible to understand about the story. You understand? Okay. I want to maybe in the junior high school have been explained with your teacher about narrative text. I want to ask maybe you don't forget. If you forget on this subject, maybe you never read your books. Okay? I want to ask about narrative text before I explain about the subject. I want to know what is narrative text. Forget. Okay. Maybe you. Hello. What is narrative text? Forget. Oh, forget. Oh. You. What is narrative text? No? Story. Alright. Okay. Okay, student. Because you forget about narrative text, I want to explain about narrative text. Okay, this is my presentation about subject reading narrative text. I'm sure in junior school I will explain to your teacher, but you maybe you forget this because you never read your books. Yes. Next. Okay. Mention the title of the story. The next picture. Please guess. Mungkin gambar ini tentang apa? Okay, do you understand? This. Bawang merah dan have you read the story? Okay, have you read the story? Maybe about something.
It's about baby Bawang Merah is had to go because she is loved by his father. Then Bawang Merah want to take out Bawang Putih world.
Okay, good. Give applause. Bawang merah, bawang putih. This is belong to narrative text. Termasuk narrative text. Okay, bawang merah, bawang putih. Next. This is
The wolf
the wolf and the wolf and please raise your hand. Yang bisa tangan. Yeah. Sheep. Okay, good. Sheep or the lamb. Yes. Yes. Good. Give applause to your friend. narrative text, I think it's very easy, you know. But if you never read your forget, I think it's forget. I'm sure forget. Next, this. Kalau jumlah. Okay, kalau jumlah. Next. It's starting from the next. Okay, then next tujuan pembelajaran kita, because I think is in our life, in your life, maybe you must have the goal, tujuan. Kita hidup tanpa punya tujuan, kita hidup tanpa arah. Ya, kita harus punya tujuan. Same with your subject this morning. We must have the goal, tujuan. Ibaratnya sampai mau ke suatu kota, tujuannya ke sana sampai nggak ada tujuan, bingung, akhirnya bisa kemana-mana, nggak ada hasil. Ya kan? Itu penting. Kita hidup harus punya tujuan. Tujuan sampai modal di sini apa?
Mencari ilmu.
Tujuan di situ yang harus kami capai harus dengan kerja keras. Kalau ingin sampai mencapai tujuan sampai santai, it's impossible you can get it. Maybe your goal is I want to get speak English only, but every day you never practice English with your friend. It's impossible you can speak English only. Okay, you agree?
Yes.
Next, tujuan. Yeah. Because in SMA Jerusalem High School is kurikulum merdeka. This is the first class. Ini adalah tujuan umumnya di judulnya kita bro. Tujuan kita ini intinya membaca, menulis. Kemudian inti dari tujuannya adalah melalui program listening nanti kita mengidentifikasi about narrative text, reading.
Yes.
Do you like reading?
Yes.
Okay. If you like reading, I think is you can improve your knowledge. If you never reading, I think you maybe it's impossible and very difficult. You can improve your knowledge about science, about language. Yeah, read is number one. Yes, in the Al-Quran kan ada Iqra bismi rabbika ladzi khalaq. But the practice read is always the practice is not to speak. Indonesian is very lower but read. Yes.
Yes.
Important is read. Okay, next. Narrative text. Narrative text. What is narrative text? I want to explain about this. Next, genre of narrative text. Next one is the purpose. What is the purpose? Tujuan. Next, general structure-nya. Struktur teksnya. Okay, this narrative. Maybe there is student now. Please read and translate Indonesian language. If you can do it, please raise your hand. Please read. This definition about narrative text. Okay.
Narratif adalah sebuah tipe teks yang menceritakan kronologi atau imajinasi cerita melalui pas teks atau pas waktu yang sudah lampau.
Okay, good. Give us. Maybe there is opinion about anything else, your friends. Please translate to Indonesian language. Your voice loud. Don't be afraid wrong. Okay, I give you remember. Don't be afraid wrong. Wrong is I think is common because your people not apa? God, ya kan? Bukan malaikat kan? Yang benar itu malaikat, selalu benar, tidak ada salahnya. Ya kan? Manusia ada salahnya malu. Lek sampean pengen duwe saudara, duwe teman sing gak pernah salah ya, koncoan karo mereka. Ya. Okay, next. Narrative text, the type of text type. Kalau imaginative, ya, imaginative atau imagination. Jadi imajinasi. For example, true friend, itu kan imajinatifnya, yang mengarang cerita. Terus tensesnya pakai past.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Before I go on. Okay, next. Okay, genre of narrative text. What do you mean? Okay, before I explain this, apa genre? Jenis cerita. Bilang to narrative text. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yang termasuk narrative text apa aja? Saya buka lagi your memories because you forget for narrative text. Yang termasuk narrative text. Raise your hand. Which good. Next. Legend good. Next. Anything else? Halo. Halo. Myth. Legend. Next. Fable good. Fable. Next. Anything else? Finish. Okay. Maybe love story and fairy tale and next fable. Belong to narrative text fable. Story about okay. Please write in your book maybe. Don't be you always see. You must write because your memory is always okay. Write is very important. Next, fable. Myth. Mitos. Ceritanya siapa? Roro. Tidak ada di Roro Selatan. Yeah. Next, myth. Cerita mitos. Next, legend. Legend, cerita tentang asal usul suatu. For example, Banyuwangi. Yes. Anything else like Banyuwangi? Surabaya. Ada lagi Banyumas. Rawabayu. Tanbakau. Next. Nah ini termasuk folk style. What do you mean folk style? Cerita panjang. Cerita panjang. For example, maling. Do you like about folk style?
Yes.
Okay. Maling kuda. Next. Fairy tale. Fairy tale itu cerita tentang keajaiban, senengannya anak-anak. Ya, fantasi, imajinatif. Ya, imajinatif. Do you like this story?
Yes.
Imajinatif. Mungkin punya batu kecil bisa berubah jadi emas. Imajinatif. Next. Dari love story. But I never discuss, I never identify about love story. Yes, I did in all of students like love story, but I never discuss, I never explain about love story. Maybe this is sacred. Love story maybe if you lulus dari SMA, it's okay. Next. The purpose narrative text. Nah, ini tujuan. Jadi tujuan sebuah cerita ya itu apa? To entertain the readers. What's the meaning entertain? Next, to amuse the reader. What's the meaning amuse the reader? Membujuk. Ya, suggest bisa. Suggest. Next. Lagi. To teach moral value. Akhlak ya, biasanya example dalam cerita sebuah naratif itu di akhir endingnya itu ada pesan moral. Kemudian opini sosial ya. Opini. Next, tujuan naratif teks. Kemudian general structure-nya. Number one is orientation. What is the meaning orientation? Introduce. Okay, good. Introduce the character of story. Orientation. General structure, narrative text, orientation number one. Next, complication. What complication? Masalah. I think it's part of the people have the problem.
Yes.
You agree? Yes. All of the people in the world, I think, have the problem. But how to get the resolution for your problem? Ya, bagaimana masalah itu diselesaikan? Itu yang penting. Next, resolution. Penyelesaian. Okay. From this material, maybe there is any question? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, I want to ask to you. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, next. What is narrative text? The story, imagination. Okay, you can pass that. Next, what is narrative text? Imaginative. Menggunakan tensesnya konsep. Oke, narratif. Okay, good. Jelas structure-nya. Ini terus next. Language filter. Jadi, if I have been explain this material, I want to you read this subject, title, and then please discuss with your friends. Language filter. What's the meaning of language filter? Ya, tenses-nya kebahasanya. Pakai past tense karena menceritakan masa lalu. Itu gambarnya ya selama 3 masa lalu. Ya,
Keren, Pak.
masa lalu. Kemudian next, end of time. End of time is apa? For example, ya one short time, next long time ago, next apa? Last time, today, 2 months ago, bukan 2 months ago, 2 months. Conjunction. Kata hubung, for example, between and that. So next, okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next, This is contact true friend. This is exercise. Maybe please identification because this subject the purpose we learn English language in this morning. You must identification about text, narrative text. This is exercise. Next, if this is finished what exercise this text, and then you can mix group. I want to find maybe 4 groups. Yes, but before you discuss with your friends and your group, maybe we will exercise about this text. Through friends. Okay? Through friends. This right, this is maybe through friends. At couple of times, once one. The next, the character is two close friends. Close friend. Next, once one time, there were 2 close friends. Maybe student please read the first paragraph. Maybe Esther. This reader. Okay, please read the first paragraph. Your first law.
At one time, there were 2 close friends who were walking through the forest together. They knew that anything dangerous can happen at the time in the forest, so they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger.
Okay, good. This is the first paragraph. The first paragraph, the general structure narrative text is orientation. Okay, you understand? My dear student, please read and translate what is the meaning of the first paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph, just the first paragraph. Maybe there is student, ambassador, perwakilan bisa maju sama translate maksudnya paragraf pertama. Please in front of the class. Okay. Don't be frightened. Okay, maybe 2 students. Never mind. Please stand up in this class. Okay, good. Give applause to your friends. Okay, this. Okay, please read the first paragraph. This is orientation. What's the meaning? And please explain with your friend. Just the first paragraph, yes. Okay. Yes, translate or yes, translate is okay. Agak pilih bisa.
Jadi,
Ya, ini dia sini.
pada paragraf pertama dijelaskan tentang ada 2 sahabat yang mereka berjalan-jalan di hutan bersama, dan mereka mengikat janji kalau di hutan itu kan bisa terjadi apa-apa, ada bahaya dan everything bisa terjadi. Nah, terus mereka berjanji apapun yang terjadi mereka nggak selalu bersama.
Okay, the first paragraph is at drop of time. The character is two close friends. Okay, good. Okay, sit down, please. Please class your time. Okay, the first paragraph. Do you understand? Yes. This is exercise identification about narrative text. Okay. Next, the second paragraph, complication. This is suddenly they saw a large bear. Okay, what's the meaning bear? Okay, good. What's the meaning suddenly?
Tiba-tiba.
Good job. What's the meaning? Pretense. Good. Next. And what's the meaning? Princess.
Tidak bernafas.
Tidak bernafas. Good job. Your vocabulary is good. Because if you want to understand identification for narrative text, you must have vocabulary is more. Okay? Because this is English language. If your vocabulary is little, never mind, you can understand what this text. Okay, next. Climate. Climate. Okay. Action verb bisa ya. Okay. The second paragraph itu jadi student. Okay. Read and translate Indonesian language. Ada yang bisa? Don't be frightened if you can do it. Never mind. Okay, good. Okay, keep up your right. Yeah, better do it. Okay.
Suddenly,
Yeah, your voice might be low.
suddenly they saw a large bear getting closer towards them. One of them gave a nearly 3 at once, but unfortunately the other one did not know how to climb up the tree. So being led by his promises, he lay down on the ground, ready and prepared to be dead man.
Okay, this Indonesian language.
Tiba-tiba mereka melihat ada seorang beruang besar datang mendekat ke mereka. Salah satu dari mereka
What's your expression and mind?
tiba-tiba
Never mind.
tiba-tiba kita melihat seekor beruang datang mendekat ke mereka. Salah satu dari mereka akhirnya memanjat pohon yang paling dekat dengan tempat berdiri. Tapi sayangnya yang satunya nggak bisa naik pohon atau jalan yang manjat. Jadi dia mengikuti nalurinya sendiri, jadi dia berbaring di atas tanah dan tidak bernafas bernafas dan berpura-pura menjadi bedridden atau mati
Oh yeah.
dan
Okay.
mati tidak berdarah.
Okay, good. Finish.
Yeah.
Okay, keep up your right. Okay, I think this is your friend is very good in this language. Okay, because I think it's okay. Please don't be frightened if you want to express about your English language. If you never practice, I think it's always maybe you very silent. Okay, good. This is the second paragraph. Ceritanya sudah teman sama tadi. Next, resolution. This is another resolution. After that, the friends and the tree come down. Mungkin ada siapa yang bisa? Don't be frightened. Okay. Don't be frightened what wrongs. Yes. Okay, never mind. After this, this exercise identification mistake. Next, we mix the clothes. Okay, you please. Okay, good. Please. Give us your right. I never mind, maybe, but yes, your right is okay. Don't be worried.
After that, the friend on the tree came down and asked his friend who was on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friend replied, "Just now the bear advised me not to believe a false friend." Artinya setelah itu teman yang di atas pohon tadi bertanya kepada temannya yang di bawah, "Teman, apa yang beruang bisikan di telingamu?" Lalu teman lain tadi kata, "Baru saja beruang memberitahuku bahwa aku tidak percaya kepada teman tersebut."
Okay, good. And we understand identification narrative.
Yes.
The next section, number one is orientation, communication, resolution. This is an example about narrative text. Two friends. I think this way maybe you want to have two friends when good together. Kita harus punya teman baik pasti ada. Pasti punya ya. Tapi beda dengan teman baik sama teman kurang baik. Okay, next. Then this narrative text, I think this is your exercise. Next. Yes. Exercise. The Legend of Surabaya. Do you know Surabaya?
Yes.
Yes. Have you visited there? Not yet. Wow. just.
Ever.
Okay, so next I want to give you a family which makes clothes. One cloth for student. Okay, this. Oke, next terus dari sini diangkat kursinya, ya, diangkat kursinya. Sebelah situ, sebelah sini biar kelihatannya sih. Biar kelihatan. Oke, next. Finish. Okay, finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Just 3. Just 3. Just 4. Just 4. Okay. 3. Yes. Please answer the multiple choice and question, and then this identification narrative text. If there's problem, please ask to me. Slowly. Okay. Slowly, don't get it up. Okay. Please do it. Push. Okay, any question? Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh, yes, please do it. What? One, two, three, four, five, seven. That's it. That is difficult maybe about the reading, about vocabulary. You must recall your dictionary. Cells, enjoy. Don't be confused. Just relax. You must confident. I can do it. You can do it. Yes. Yeah. The legend of the what? In stocks in Jakarta. Get me? What? Education. What? Eh? What? What? That yang yeah. Next, okay, prepare the presentation about this, the legend, yes? Okay, this is answer multiple choice and the presentation, the legend of Surabaya. Okay, next. Invite your friends. Identification, manner, and then conjunction. Yes, narrative text, yes. Anchor of time-nya, structure text-nya, moral value, moral value-nya, iya. Identification text. Okay, student, might be speaking clear.
Yes.
Please look see to me speaking. Maybe your mind is confused. And then after speaking, we next you can yes. Okay?
Yes.
Oke, saya punya aturan. Biar gak jenuh ya. Aturannya ikuti apa yang saya katakan sebelumnya seperti itu. You understand?
Yes.
Oke, silakan stand up. Ikuti rumus, ada rumusnya, ikuti apa yang saya katakan. Oke, titik kayak Maya. Ayam titik. Titik kayak Maya. Ada berapa titik? Ada berapa titik? Ternyata ya sudah. Oke, titik kayak Maya. Ada berapa ayam? Stand up. Sit down. Okay, sit down please. Okay, next. Please do it. Okay, jaga biar gak confused. Next, yeah. Okay, nanti presentation is the legend of Surabaya. Intro, maybe, are you ready? Explain the first paragraph. Okay. Yeah, nanti the legend of the Surabaya. The legend. Ada asal usul kemudian jelasnya communication distribution di orientation itu terdiri atas ide macamnya di orientation itu complication. Ya di sini pakai bahasa Indonesia. Enggak non-translate ya, menerangkan. Yes, explain. Jadi presentation bukan hanya membaca translate, bukan dalam menghadapi ada pasien yang dimasukkan di
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Your presentation is identifikasi the legend Okay, are you finished? Okay, finish. Caranya di presentasi ini, legend itu menjelaskan orientationnya itu termasuk struktur tagnya kan orientation, communication, distribution. Saya menjelaskan tagnya apa, strukturnya, terus conjunction pakai pasti di samping menjelaskan ini seperti apa. Jadi apanya? Ceritanya endingnya gimana? Di samping sampai menganalisis, iya, sampai menganalisis di stack juga paham isi cerita. Ya, kan? Okay, finish. Okay, please. Next, please presentation. One group. This is maybe the first group. Maybe who is the first group in front of the class? Presentation about your identification and text. Okay, please. The first group. Okay. Saya tunjuk sini dulu. Semuanya masuk. Explain about identification archetype di LKPJ. Mengidentifikasi apa? Silakan. Please look at your friends in front of the class. Okay, give applause your friends. Kalian boleh hasil dari identifikasi tadi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pertama dari kata legend sendiri ya. Legend sendiri memiliki arti legenda. Nah, legenda adalah suatu cerita yang menjelaskan tentang asal usul suatu daerah. Lebih tepatnya adalah daerah Surabaya. Selanjutnya kami akan menerangkan tentang generic struktur.
Dari a long time ago sampai they lived in the sea itu termasuk orientation.
Dari paragraf pertama, first of time-nya adalah a long time ago. Dan pelaku dari cerita ini adalah dua hewan, yakni hiu dan buaya yang bernama Sura dan Bayas. Mereka tinggal di sebuah laut. Jadi kalimat One Sura and Baya menunjukkan sampai besok itu merupakan paragraf complication. Dari paragraf dari bagian complication di sini termasuk bagian yang terdapat konflik masalah. Dari sini awal dari masalah adalah ketika Sura dan Baya mereka sedang mencari makanan. Tiba-tiba ada seekor kambing. Dari sinilah mereka mendapat makanan. Kemudian mereka bertarung sampai mereka merasa lelah. Setelah mereka merasa lelah, mereka melakukan perjanjian kalau Sura akan hidup di darat dan Sura akan hidup di laut dan Baya akan hidup di darat. Dan perbatasannya adalah di pantai. Mereka berjanji tidak akan bergabung satu sama lain dan melewati batas wilayah mereka. Nah, suatu hari Sura ini sedang mencari makanan dan tidak menemukan makanan satupun di laut. Kemudian dia lewat batas wilayah yang sudah ditentukan. Kemudian Baya mengetahui hal tersebut. Lalu dia merasa marah dan mereka berkelahi lagi. Dari paragraf complication ini, action verb-nya antara lain kemudian looking for, tired, hungry, Dan kata pastesnya di situ
Resolusinya apa?
resolusinya
yang didapat oleh sampai dengan BIS.
Okay, finish? Finish. Okay, please, please. Okay, please close your hands. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, good job. Next, curve skill. Okay, please.
Waalaikumsalam. Jadi kita akhirnya mendapat tentang identifikasi dari aplikasi yang muncul identifikasi dari narasi ini. Yang pertama terdapat orientasi kunci bagian pengenalan dari teks. Orientasi di sini terdapat pada paragraf 1. Lalu yang kedua adalah komunikasi. Komunikasi berisi munculnya masalah sampai masalah puncak itu terdapat pada paragraf 2, 3, dan 4. Lalu yang terakhir adalah resolusi. Resolusi adalah bagian dari penyelesaian masalah. Terdapat pada paragraf 5.
Struktur pembahasan teks naratif yang pertama ini menggunakan past tense atau kata yang sudah lampau. Sifatnya adverb of time, kata keterangan waktu. Seperti a long time ago, once upon a time. Sekarang yang selanjutnya adalah conjunction atau kata mengikat atau
Finish. Okay, please. Finish. Finish. Okay, please. Next. You. Okay, finish. This identification narrative text. I have to explain what narrative text, the structure, and then maybe there is adverb manner, kemudian the purpose, next conjunction, textnya, the orientation, application is okay. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Explain about narrative text. Di sini kita akan menjelaskan tentang struktur naratif teks. Yang pertama adalah orientasi. The Legend of Surabaya. Legend adalah suatu cerita yang mengisahkan sebuah tempat. Kalau di sini The Legend of Surabaya yang mengisahkan sebuah tempat Surabaya. Asal usul kalau di Indonesia itu kayak asal usul Surabaya.
Orientationnya paragraf. Next.
There were two animals, Surah and Baya. Surah was the name of shark and Baya was a crocodile who lived in the sea. Di sini orientasi adalah introduction, memperkenalkan tokoh, karakter tokoh, dan Baya. Yang kedua yaitu communication. Communication adalah to enter into a paragraph that talk about the beginning of the problem of the event. Jadi di komunikasi itu maksudnya problem atau masalah di dalam di sebuah teks alternative text. Di sini once Surah and Baya were working for sampai very about it. Communication atau problem di sini menceritakan kayak bertemannya Surah dan Baya atau fight Surah dan Baya.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, please. Tutup dulu.
Ya, dari kami, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you very much for your presentation. It is very good. Please give applause your friend. Okay. The first group, second group, and the third group have an instant of the test. If you have instant for this test, don't be forget. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next group. You. Okay, time is first. Okay, please. Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jadi di sini kita akan menjelaskan tentang teks naratif. Dan naratif di sini termasuk legenda tentang daerah Surabaya. Dan di dalam teks naratif itu biasanya terdapat orientation, communication, dan resolution. Dan di teks ini yang termasuk orientation paragraf pertama itu orientasi sampai definisi. Yang kedua adalah complication. Complication adalah masalah yang ada di naratif teks. Masalahnya mulai dari arus and daya sampai develop together. Dia ada di communication, ada effort, terus attitude, action, effort,
Resolution.
Mulai in its other sampai Baya.
Okay. Finish.
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 Wow. Okay, please sit down. Okay, next. The last one. If you want to retell this this expression and mind, with expression, maybe your body language, yeah, implement. Okay, please. Okay. Jadi ada semuanya.
Finish.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hari ini kita menjadi kelompok terakhir dan pelajaran hari ini adalah tentang narrative text. Dan sesuatu yang akan kita presentasikan hari ini adalah narrative text bagian legend. Dan kalian udah tahu kan legend itu kayak apa. Dan kali ini judulnya adalah Legend of Surabaya. So, for the first step, saya akan menjelaskan tentang structure. Structure for the first structure is orientation. Orientation yang tertera di sini adalah a long time ago sampai they live in the sea. So, in the orientation kita bisa tanya di mana who, di mana when, and di mana where. yaitu live in the sea. And then for the second one is communication. Communication bisa kita dapatkan di paragraf ketiga. Menurut saya paragraf ketiga ini merupakan klimaks dari cerita yang ada di sini. Baris yang merupakan klimaksnya adalah Surah went to the land and looked for some food in the river. Dia tuh Surah itu pergi ke land, so nyari makanan. Terus karena nggak ada, jadi dia pergi ke laut. Dan ternyata laut itu udah dikasih batas sama Baya sama Surah dulu. Mereka udah berjanji kalau misalnya nggak boleh lewatin batas itu. Ternyata si Surah melanggar perjanjian itu. Nah, klimaksnya adalah ketika Surah melanggar perjanjian itu dan Baya marah saat Surah melanggar perjanjian. Jadi menurut saya klimaksnya ada di situ. Kemudian, for the last one is resolution. Resolution itu adalah penyelesaian di mana Surah menggigit Baya. Mereka bertarung. Setelah bertarung ternyata buaya yang menang. Dan di mana resolution itu menentukan bahwa ending ceritanya itu apa, happy or sad. Ternyata endingnya adalah happy, but sad for surahnya. Ternyata surahnya sedih dan bayanya happy. Kemudian untuk structure kita udah paham ya dari tadi dari orientation, so next to the communication, then resolution, and the next one, step one, I will explain you about tentang adverb of time. Kita bisa menemukan di sini ada 3 saya menemukannya. Long time ago, once, and then on day. Other one, and the next one tentang conjunction. Conjunction di sini saya menemukan and, so then, kemudian verb, kata kerja. Kata kerjanya ada banyak tentunya. Kalau ada subjek pasti ada kata kerja. Kemudian saya akan membacakan verbnya. Verbnya di sini ada been, ada him, ada live, ada lunch, ada fall, and another one, and etc. Okay, thanks. That's all our presentation today. And the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good job. I think your presentation is very good. All of the talk is good. Okay. Good. Okay, please kembali ke bukunya masing-masing. Bisa. Don't be nice, please. Sit and don't be nice. Okay. I think this is the last I explain about this narrative text. This is the last video. I hope you study English. Study English every day and every time. Don't be lazy about studying English. Okay. This video I think is. Maybe this method you can understand about narrative text. What is narrative text? I want to ask you before I close this learn English language. Okay, you. What is narrative text? Image. Tell about imaginary. Okay, narrative text. Narrative text, imaginative story about past tense. Okay, the next structure, narrative text is orientation, communication, and resolution. Okay, the language feature, there is adverb of manner, and then conjunction, and then adverb. Okay, I give you words. Remember, you must always be don't be think about English language is very difficult. I think English language is very easy. You must always in your mind. English language is very easy. Don't be think English language is very difficult. If you always think English language is very difficult, I think it's always you want to study English lazy. because in your mind always difficult English language. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Because I think this English language is very important in the words. If you want to communication with native speaker and example, you want to interview, you looking job, maybe interview, use English language. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention. This material, this subject, learn English language. The next time we learn about English language again, and I hope you always spirit about English language. Okay, before close this material and this teach English language, semoga pembelajaran ini bermanfaat ya untuk kita semuanya. Kita dapat ilmunya meskipun sedikit, yang penting barokah. Mungkin kalau barokah insya Allah bermanfaat. Oke, kita tutup dengan doa. Nanti semoga dan membaca doa nanti kita diberi dengan manfaat. Okay, Chairman, please comment your friends.
Let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alimun bi'asari rabbirum bi'adati Sami'um basirum bi'lurubi wa ma'awat Bismillah al-jumil kana ilama tolibi Bidaika falamlah jangan tasyara'at Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Okay, please learn. Thank you very much for your attention. 加油！
加油！谢谢老师，老师再见。
Okay, you can speak Chinese language now.
Yes.
Okay, Chinese language is very good. I can speak Chinese language but little. 我教他们先生，我就教啊，我学习还比才巴黎。因为我才巴黎学学的，没，跟来地方不那but little, very little. 等一下，你好吗？我很好，你在哪里？我在好啊。Okay, thank you very much, students. Please come back to your class. Thank you very much. You happy about this subject. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. See you tomorrow. 再见。
再见。
再见。